So right. Oh nako. Big brother Mzansi, sanibonani. Themba siniyaphila uThabiso wanzuza lokhulumayo. Qhamuka le empangeni kwesakabela kwankomo zinye upolish. Basho njalo ke yabazi. But anyway asikho lapho. Vele silapho. Alright, ngaphandle nje kokupholisa amaseko. Mina Nkosi yami what I can say about myself, I come from rural areas. I grew up there. And then ngumuntu osithandela ukujima, ngumuntu osithandela ukudlalela ibhola. I'm the type of person who like to communicate with other people. Ngiyizama phela ne-English kodwa ke uyabona ukuthi angikho fluent nje ngibhidilisha lapho nalapho. Yeah, nginjena nje. Mina nje nginje. Okay, so what I can say about myself ukuthi ke ngeke ngithande ukuthi ngihlangane nabanye abantu yabo, kodwa futhi ngeke ngingathanda ukuhlanganisa nabantu abahlezi benezinto ezibhedayo ngaso besikhathi kangokuthi nje umuntu othanda ukuba i-center of attention ongakwazi ukuthi correct make wrong especially phambi kwabantu yabo. So ngilo umuntu lo usimaka mhlawumbe ebona ukuthi uyahluleka mhlawumbe enqene lokho ekhuluma yakho ngcona qheqhe yabo. Eheneke. So ngikhule ngihlala nogogo. I grew up with my grandmother. She was like a father and she was like a mother to me. Yeah, I didn't have a father, but then I had an uncle, so I had a family. Yeah, so I grew up lokho ungenza ukuthi ngakwazi nami ukukhalipha kwezinye izinto and manage ukuthi ngibhekane nezimo ezinzima kakhulu, like I'm able to beat up myself. Yabo nje ngishepekile ngilomfana okwazi ukusebenza kanzima in every situation that I come across yabo. So akukho okuningi engikwenza mhlawumbe ngokumsebenzi ukuthi mhlawumbe khona engikwenzayo kuphathekayo cha, ngumfanyana nje ozihasilishayo ngidayise lamele ngidayise khona because vele I'm all by myself when it's come to life. So wonke umuntu kuyaye kube kanjalo. So I'm hoping for the best ke bafowethu ukuthi abantu bazongithanda makwenzele ngaba ngenhlahla yahambela ngakimi. We're going to enjoy to see me there. Awuyanitshela nina ayena. Sibonga bafowethu, amen. Akukho okunye ngakusho okuningi bafowethu. I'm just hoping for the best. Thank you.